again.
You, I want to ask you a question. I dey ask you a question when they look me like this, so I dey ask you a question. See, what will be the benefit of a graduate in Nigeria? No why Nigeria no dey work because of nepotism na the order of the day for Nigeria government. Cronyism na wetin Nigeria dey practice. They don monopolize everything. Na make Nigeria no dey work. How Nigeria go take move forward like that? After our mama, our papa, they sell rapper, they put people for school. At the end of the day, nothing to run home about. What did they stop Nigeria? How Nigeria want to grow like this? How you want to grow? We be say man, Nigeria want to do road, they will go China, go back engineer, make not do road. We be say man, people we be say they read civil engineer. At the end of the day, they don't put them for work, they don't do anything. How Nigeria want to move? See doctor full everywhere. Our Nigeria government, they go abroad for medical checkup. We be say man, we get better doctor for Nigeria. With how Nigeria want to work? How Nigeria feel work like that? We be say man, we don't transform our own. We don't use our own people. We don't practice what we preach. How the thing want to work? You don't feel work. But that one I person we be say man, Nigeria is going backward. That is my question for now. When they look me like this, so my question for now. See, when I see what they happen now. When I see what they happen, where be say man, Nigeria, whether you be graduate or you graduate for whatever, you need bed, you need life, you need whatever. See, nothing is happening. They don't mind you, they don't send you. If you like graduate for everywhere, see. Let me kind of advise people. If you like, take the reason I say a bad advice. For me, if you can be able to read and write, enter government, enter politics, but they start. If they ask you where your result, don't forge the result. After all, our baba at the top, all of them they do them.
Be careful.
Now what did they do? You understand? We say man, Nigeria as a country. How many? Okay, all of the way we say man, commissioner, president, governor. How many of them get legit? How many of them get better result for them? None of them. All of them. Most of all of the way did this. All of the forged results. They come to the oppress people. See, and that one make me come to deal. You see all of our students for campus. Most of them, they carry toilet disease for inside campus. No light, if they want to go read, no light. Now candle they think they read. See, they go suffer those kinds of finish. At the end of the day, they not go see work. You see most of them they drive back. Even most of all the states now for Nigeria now, they even stop to back.
I am a graduate of Enugu State University. I graduated since 2006. Up till now, no work until OPE came and gave me this work.
Government should ready, those people, they should be ready for war and ready for criminals to come.
It is an act of wickedness because this Okada business has placed food on so many people's table. So why will they ban Okada? For what reason?
How you say me they eat? Tomorrow night, if you see they say they go rob, now Okada they come out for crime wash and they say they be back. See, make changes the. Now I play tell myself, more than they support my own, more than they support my own. Now they support now because nepotism. Now what in Nigeria government they practice. You understand? Now what they practice. You understand me? So see, you see Nigeria, you see Nigeria, NNPC. You know, no be chairman for them. Who they control NNPC? You know, see now Buhari, and they control NNPC. If I don't know. See right now, for your state, Katsina State, they build refineries for there, for your state. You know how much when Nigeria government don't use, they try make they produce oil for not. See, I wish now not now get the resources where the South get there. If I don't take where they for move rivers. You understand? See all those things where could they support our own? Make our own grow. You understand? Make our own grow. Oshomole, I be you now. We be say man, you Be Abuja the form. Oshomole I be you now. Sure you don't see her now. Tinubu 2023 ambition. I be you now. Mugu. This my man self now put me for trouble.
Who be you? Where you they talk bahad for this house inside? Who be you?
Magu, ESCC director. I be you now. See, Buhari, you know what they do. Buhari know what they do. See, 2023, see, all those notes, they don't want to give anybody chance. Tinubu, a plan to become the president, whatever, 2023. Now that one, now that one, Baba, so corner now. So because of Oshomole, he removed Oshomole for there because Tinubu and Oshomole, now so they be. Let me can remove Oshomole for there. Now Baba, he ambition now, he dream now, not the shatter. See, make una the support on our own. Make una the support on our own. Nepotism is too much in Nigeria. Crazy is too much in Nigeria. They monopolize everywhere. You see Dangote this, Dangote this, Dangote that. Dangote, he said now see they build refinery now for Lekki. If no more now.
Today, the Dangote oil refinery project, which is valued at $14 billion, is ongoing at the Lekki Free Trade Zone, Lagos State.
They build refinery. They want put everything for their pockets. When we say common man not get what they talk. If they high price of anything for Nigeria, you know they come down and so they be. The time with dollar, air will go up. I don't know how much they say bag of rice. And they ask now, they don't change now. See, even when everything will be say they go up for Nigeria, you know they come down. Now so it be. You understand me? So that make way I tell now say man, all of you we don't want me Nigeria grew. All of you where they suppress common people. All of you where they suppress common people. Now you are bored. Now go fear, go follow all of you now. Hey! Tell now. I hear me tell me. Una like, una hear, una not like, make una forget, make una support una own. See, if una see any of una where they come out, make una gather and support them. Because no tenants. Now they say that they are better right to be leading Nigeria. You understand?
Now why your government we do? Eba mi o, risky more government we do. Yeah, party pa o, a party government we do. Eba mi o, you give money, paddy, arranging it. Wayo, economic, you give money, paddy, wayo, add them together, give me the answer.